because I started performing on stage when I was in third standard. थी मेरी प्रैक्टिस तो बहुत हेल्पर वाली प्रैक्टिस थी यार, वो सालों से चल रही है. सो रोटी सब्जी मिल जाए तो मेरी तो पूरी जिंदगी निकल सकती है इसमें. बट मेरी मस्ती ऐसी होती थी कि कभी पकड़े नहीं जाना. स्टार्टअप इज वेयर पीपल वांट टू राइट फॉर यू.
Hello and welcome to Spot Boy. This is Anita in conversation with someone who has literally scammed our heart. So please welcome Prateek Gandhi. Hi Prateek.
Hello, hi, how are you?
I'm doing good. How are you?
I'm doing good, thank you.
क्या यार एक के बाद एक ऐसे परफॉर्मेंस दे रहे हो आपकी हम आपको मिस कर रहे हैं अभी मतलब और कोई शोज करो यार प्लीज रियली. So how are things with you?
Things are very very good. अभी तो खैर घर पे ही है, but yeah, looking forward for something really good to happen in near future.
Right. So tell me one thing, star versus food. What was the reason behind doing this?
Because I had never cooked anything in my life. My wife had always been complaining that you never cooked anything for me ever.
Right.
And I don't know, I was never confident to go into the kitchen and experiment or do something. So I guess, and the moment I was given this opportunity, I jumped on it. I said, I just want to do it.
Okay. So, what was more scary, to face the camera or to be in the kitchen and cook something?
I guess to be in the kitchen, yeah, because camera, stage, ये सारी चीजें तो अब ऐसा हो गया है कि हाँ यार, that's my second nature. I can do it anytime. But
Right.
had never explored this side, of cooking and experimenting with those flavors. And yeah, I had never done that. And that this time also that I did with strict guidance of Arin with the chef, and he made it happen for me actually.
Right. तो घर पे वाइफ के साथ ये शो करने से पहले कुछ प्रैक्टिस की थी कि नहीं?
मैंने प्रैक्टिस की थी. मेरी प्रैक्टिस तो बहुत हेल्पर वाली प्रैक्टिस थी यार, वो सालों से चल रही है. वो मॉम भी
Okay.
करवाती थी और अब मेरी वाइफ भी करवाती है. मतलब कुछ भी मजदूरी का काम मैं कर सकता हूँ, बाकी जहां तक कुकिंग की बात है तो वो कभी मेरे पल्ले पड़ा नहीं. ये साफ
Right.
करके दे दो, ये ऊपर से निकाल के दे दो, बिकॉज ऑफ द हाइट यू आर ऑलमोस्ट यूज्ड लाइक अ लेडर. ये निकालो, ये रखो, बस उतना ही.
So ठीक है. एंड में योर वाइफ वाज हैप्पी या विद द फूड आपने जो बनाया?
या शी इज वेरी हैप्पी. इनफैक्ट उसके एक्सपेक्टेशंस बहुत बढ़ गए हैं.
तो घर पे आके कुछ कराया कि नहीं, कुछ बनवाया कि नहीं आपसे?
अभी तक तो नहीं, पर हाँ मतलब शी कीप्स टेलिंग मी दैट अब वापस कुछ बनाओ, कुछ बनाओ. सो आई एम ट्राइंग माय हैंड्स ऑन पोहा टू बिगिन विद.
Nice, not bad. Poha is easy, yeah, very easy.
Yeah. So I'll start with easy things.
Good. So what has been your favorite food?
My favorite food is homemade food. Anything homemade food. I am a complete vegetarian, so homemade vegetarian food, and that too Gujarati food. So roti sabzi मिल जाए तो मेरी तो पूरी जिंदगी निकल सकती है इसमें.
Okay. But are you a fussy eater?
Not at all.
No?
Not at all. Not at all. Those 4 years in engineering hostel not taught me everything. Eat to survive. That was the motto there.
तो वहां पर कैसे सरवाइव करते थे यार? वहां पर तो हॉस्टल तो कुकिंग एंड स्टफ.
अरे कुकिंग वो तो मेस में खाना होता था.
अच्छा हाँ.
कुकिंग वैसे भी हॉस्टल में खाना कुक करना अलाउड नहीं था हमको.
Okay.
And because we were mechanical engineering students, so any which was notorious, so they wanted to keep us away from all these machineries as far as possible. Use machines only in the in the college, nowhere else.
Okay. So were you notorious or no? Or you were very a simple boy?
No, I was also notorious, but मेरी मस्ती ऐसी होती थी कि कभी पकड़े नहीं जाना.
अच्छा.
हाँ,
तो
तो
आप
मतलब बहुत प्लान करके करना पड़ता.
okay, tell us one incident where you have been, like almost caught but not caught.
Okay, so that's a very famous thing that I guess any engineer would relate to. We used to do this glass tracing. We used to call it GT.
Okay.
So those big sheets of mechanical engineering drawing, so machine drawing,
Hmm.
one person in the class does it, and then everybody copies it.
Okay.
तो हम लोग एक बड़ा सा ग्लास लेके उसके नीचे बल्ब रखते थे, उसके ऊपर उसकी शीट रखते थे, उसके ऊपर हमारी ब्लैंक शीट होती थी और फटाफट से पेंसिल से उसी को कॉपी कर लेते.
Wow.
एंड दैट वाज, सो ग्लास ट्रेसिंग मतलब बहुत कॉमन चीज है इंजीनियरिंग में. पर हमारे प्रोफेसर हमसे 2 कदम आगे थे, तो वो हमेशा हमारी शीट उल्टी करके देखते थे कि तुमने अगर ग्लास ट्रेसिंग किया होगा ना तो उसकी पेंसिल
हाँ,
पीछे भी लगी होगी। तो अगर
right.
पीछे थोड़ा भी लगता है ना उनको, तो शीट उधर ही फाड़ देते थे कि रीड्रॉ।
Hmm. So
तो
you were
ये
caught?
बहुत, नहीं मैं बच गया था।
बच गए?
मतलब मेरे दोस्त के साथ ऐसा किया, फिर मैंने मेरी शीट वहां से ले ली, पीछे से पूरा इरेज किया, पूरा लाइट कर दिया उसको, एंड देन आई सबमिटेड, सो आई गॉट सेव्ड।
Smart, very smart. But tell me one thing, Pratik. From doing engineering, studying engineering to acting, वो कीड़ा कब काटा आपको?
यार इंजीनियरिंग तो बहुत लेट आया। आई वाज ऑलवेज एन एक्टर because I started performing on stage when I was in third standard.
Hmm.
And ever since then, I
Okay.
was always on stage performing either the dance shows or elocution competition or fancy dress competition or plays or even, singing competition, everything. I was I always wanted to be on stage
Okay.
and performing something. So I don't know, I don't remember one incident where I decided to be an actor because that was a second nature to me. कि हाँ ये तो मतलब ऐसे ही होता है. But engineering,
Okay.
after 12th, I picked up engineering. I wanted to be a mechanical engineer, if not doctor.
Hmm.
So mechanical engineering के लिए मुझे struggle ये हुआ that after 12th I had to go to diploma, then diploma to 1 year of job and then be production. So that was a
Right.
long journey for me. Yeah.
Right. So, um, scam has changed your life. Scam has brought you in the limelight, like never before. Like एक success ने आपको बहुत बहुत recognition दिया है. Tell me what has changed after scam for you. Has anything changed or nothing has changed, or you're still things are still same for you?
So I guess as far as my personal approach towards life is concerned, I am not changed. But people around me changed a lot. In fact, the way they look at me has changed. Now, in the professional world, the way people approach me has changed. They take me more
Mm.
seriously as an actor now. People are ready to mount projects with me. I'm being offered a lot of good scripts for films from mainstream Hindi film industry, or and OTT also, space also. So yeah, as an actor, I guess it's a very very satisfying moment right now, where all these years, whatever that I had given, I had learned, will be used now.
Right. So you think one success changes actor's life completely, or you always need
Yes,
that one success in someone's life?
I guess one success needed in each and every industry that you are in. But for us in this particular industry, one major success means a lot because that opens up a lot of opportunities for you.
Right.
Then again, in each and every project, you have to keep proving yourself time and again,
Right.
because your one success will not, work for you for the whole life. It can just
True.
give you five more opportunities.
True. So also, were you skeptical or somewhere you had a thought in mind that you might get stereotyped because you've done scam? Then somewhat similar was with Teri also. कभी ये thought आया कि this industry is very easy. People get the stereotype very easily if you continue doing a similar character or similar shows.
Yeah, I was always, very conscious about it, that I never wanted to put myself in one bracket. And that is the reason that I kept experimenting, be it on stage or in regional cinema or anywhere. So no two characters have ever looked the same, or at least I have tried, that both these characters should be absolutely different. So
Hmm.
between Scam and Vittal TD also,
Right.
the characters are very different. There are some similarities as far as their swag is concerned, as far as their styling
Hmm.
is concerned. But characters, their journey, their emotional graph, everything is different. So yeah, I keep very close check on myself to do that consciously.
Right. So, Pratik, what is the definition of stardom for you?
I guess stardom is where people want to write for you, and people think about you when they think about the project.
Okay.
I guess that's the best place for an actor to be in.
So you think after scam that you're close to stardom, or there's
I
still a long way to go?
Yeah, if this is the definition that I told you is the definition, then yes, I am there because there are a lot of people who've started writing for me. There are characters being written for me, and I'm being approached for good films, good projects.
Right. So you have good projects coming up. You have a Tigmanshu Dhulia's Six Suspects, and then you have a film with Taxi Pannu, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah,
Can we
yeah,
speak on that? Can you give me some details on that?
yeah. So the Sixth Aspect that we are still shooting. A major portion
Okay.
of that will be shot once this lockdown is lifted. And a film with Tapsi Pannu that Roy Kapoor Film Production is
Yeah.
producing will go on floor by the end of this year.
Okay. So I heard you always wanted to work with. She's one of the person that you always wanted to work with. How
Yeah, she's one
excited
of the
are
actress. She's one of
actress?
those
Yeah.
few actors that I enjoy watching. Very very good, and her selection of projects are also very interesting.
Right. So how excited are you working for her with her?
Oh,
Have you
I'm
met
very
her?
excited.
Did you meet her?
I
Did you all
met
have
her.
script
I
readings?
met her at one of the award functions. Yeah, I met her at one of the award functions.
Okay. So you all didn't have a script reading before the shoot. You all are still yet
No,
to
no,
do
no, no,
the
not
shoot.
yet. Not that preparation has not started yet.
Okay.
The joint reading
Uh,
and all those things will start now.
okay. So in Six Suspects, what are you playing? A little brief on that character.
Well, that's I guess it's too early to talk about that, but because they have, I guess they'll announce it soon now. But the character and all, I guess I'll tell you when I'm allowed to.
Oh, you are a very hard person to get in touch with. I think I hope so.
Oh,
When
is it? Oh,
yes.
oh, is it? I don't know. ऐसा तो नहीं होता
देखते हैं अभी next time इसके बाद
है.
देखते हैं. Okay, so I have couple of more questions, quick questions. Tell me,
Yes, please.
what is your ideal romantic dinner?
Ideal romantic dinner. Oh, ideal romantic dinner, यार. मतलब whatever my wife likes, I can take her there, and she
Okay.
doesn't give me that opportunity so often. I know she'll kill me if she hears it because it's her complaint that I'm putting in words.
Okay. Okay. So what is okay from Bollywood one actor if you had to take them out for dinner, where would you take them and what would you cook for them?
Bollywood one actor that I have to take out for dinner. Hmm, I guess I'll take Jackie Shroff
Wow. Okay.
and
These.
I'll cook full Gujarati thali for him. He loves Gujarati food. I have had two projects with him that I worked on. One ventilator
Mhm.
and recently Atithi, both of them.
Huh.
He is complete foodie and he loves Gujarati food. He is a Gujarati himself, but
Hmm.
तो उनको बहुत मजा आता है.
What? It's a very interesting choice. What about actress? Given given
अच्छा
a
actress.
chance, take an actress.
Hmm, actress actress तो मतलब मैं किसी से मिला ही नहीं हूँ अब तक यार. But if given a chance, I'll treat Konkana Sen Sharma with Gujarati food है because उन्होंने शायद नहीं खाया होगा कभी. I think, and she is one
Okay.
of my favorite actress. Yeah,
Yeah, I've
so
read
उसी
that.
बहाने मैं उनसे मिल भी लूंगा एक बार.
हाँ. So, what is your favorite Gujarati dish?
My favorite Gujarati
सब
dish
होंगे
is
बट एक तो होगा ना वो फेवरेट.
हाँ एक है ना हांडवो. Mm. That is very healthy and very tasty.
Okay. Uh, okay. I have couple of more questions. What, are you a sweet person? मतलब आपको
Yeah,
desserts पसंद है? What is
बहुत
your
पसंद है
favorite?
desserts. My favorite dessert is ठंडी खीर.
चावल वाली या सेवई वाली?
चावल वाली. चावल वाली.
ओके. अगर आपको एक खाना अभी बोले बनाने के लिए सबसे क्विक क्या बना सकते हो? मालूम है नहीं
सबसे
बना
क्विक आई
सकते बट
थिंक.
कुछ अगर
नहीं, अगर सबसे क्विक कुछ बनाना है तो मुझे लगता है मैं आलू की सब्जी बना सकता हूँ.
मसाले वाली या पीली
मसाले वाली.
वाली.
हाँ. नहीं मतलब सूखी आलू की सब्जी होती है ना,
हाँ.
वो मैं बना
राइट.
सकता हूँ. वो शायद
एंड
क्योंकि
व्हाट इज
मैंने ना उसका थियरी बहुत देख ली है अभी. बहुत दिनों से ऑब्जर्व कर रहा हूँ मैं सबको बनाते हुए, तो अब मैं शायद एक बार बना लूंगा.
ठीक है. तो लास्ट क्वेश्चन. एक डिश जो आपको जरा भी नहीं पसंद, यू कांट डू दैट, यू कांट इवन सी इट टाइप.
मतलब ऐसा
Fish या
कुछ नहीं है यार।
vegetable?
नहीं, मैं वेजिटेरियन हूँ, सो आई एम जस्ट टॉक अबाउट वेजिटेरियन फूड, बट
हाँ
ऐसा
हाँ,
कुछ नहीं है जो मैं
वेजिटेबल्स
नहीं
में
खाता।
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है जो नहीं खाते।
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है जो मैं नहीं खाता।
वाओ, वेरी इम्प्रेसिव यार।
हाँ, आई ईट एवरीथिंग। और ये हमने स्कूल में सीखा था। मेरी स्कूल जो थी ना सूरत में, जहाँ पर मैं पढ़ता था,
हम्म।
स्कूल में ऐसा था कि सुबह का लंच भी स्कूल में ही खाना है कंपल्सरी।
हाँ
स्कूल में ही बनता था। एंड प्रिंसिपल यूज टू स्टैंड देयर कि सबकी थाली में सब परोसा जाएगा
हाँ।
और कोई बच्चा कुछ नहीं छोड़े। तो तब तो हमको ऐसा था कि यार करेले की सब्जी आई तो पीछे छुपा दो, इसकी सब्जी आई तो इसके वो कटोरी के पीछे छुपा देते थे, कटोरी उल्टी रख
राइट,
देते थे। और
हम
जैसे
लोग प्लेट
प्लेट
के
बाहर
नीचे
रखते
रखते
थे,
थे।
हाँ, तो
हाँ।
प्लेट जैसे बाहर रखने जाते थे ना, प्रिंसिपल बुला देती किसकी प्लेट है उसको बुलाओ। फिर खाई सबके ने जो खाई हुई प्लेट रखी होती ना, वहां से प्लेट निकाल के खिलाया था उन्होंने एक बार,
ओह
कि
गॉड।
आज के बाद कोई खाना वेस्ट नहीं करेगा और सब खाओगे। तो मतलब वो बहुत बहुत छोटे थे तब की बात है। तो ये
तब वो
ऐसा हो
हो
गया था
गई
ना तब से
आदत।
कि सब खाना है।
हाँ, तो आई यूज्ड टू डू दैट। हमारे तो घर पे मिलिट्री रूल था, तो हमको तो सब कांदा टमाटर
सब।
नहीं पसंद, पेस्ट करके बना के खिला देते थे, बट वी हैड टू ईट इट। सो या, इट वाज वेरी बैड, बट या। So, well, Pratik, this was a really lovely chat. Thank you so much for doing this with me, and
you
hope I meet you again. Hope we meet face to face again and
soon
talk
enough,
more about your project.
surely soon enough. Thank you, Anita.
Thank you so much for doing this. Thank you.
Thank you.
Take care. Bye.